Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Calendly with Zoom. By integrating these two tools, you can streamline your schedule and hosting processes and make it easier to connect with your clients and colleagues. So let's start. First, you will need to have a Calendly account and a Zoom account. Once you have those set up, go to your Calendly account and click on this Integrations tab at the top. Then here, scroll down and look for Zoom integration and click on it. Next, click on this Connect Zoom button and here, log into your Zoom account. After that, you can create a new event in Calendly. Go to your home page and click on this button to create a new event. Choose your desired event type, then here, enter the event name and after that, select the Zoom integration as the location for this meeting. This will automatically generate a unique Zoom meeting link for each event, which you can share with your participants. Next, just fill out the following information to customize your meeting. Once you have created the event, they will automatically receive a Zoom link in their confirmation email. When it is time for the meeting, simply click on the Zoom link to join the call. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to integrate Calendly with Zoom, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.